Dr. the Honorable Haji Kazim Hussein, Minister of Agriculture, Land and Fisheries, Ms. Jacqueline Rollins, Chairman and other Directors of the Board of the Cocoa Development Company of Trinidad and Tobago, Professor Umaharan, Director, Cocoa Research Center, members of the National Organizing Committee, esteemed cocoa stakeholders, other key players, supporters, and sponsors of the cocoa sector. Welcome to the launch of the 4th edition of the National Cocoa Awards competition. CDC-TTL, with the support of the Ministry of Agriculture, Land and Fisheries, is indeed extremely proud to have the opportunity to host yet another installment of this highly recognized and much anticipated competition. This National Cocoa Awards competition provides a forum for processors to showcase their skills in processing wet cocoa beans into dry beans with exceptional quality and flavor attributes. Participants benefit from the awareness created for their superior beans via increased marketing opportunities and, of course, can win special prizes in this competition. The National Cocoa Awards is a precursor competition in which the top 5 bean samples are selected for entry into the Cacao of Excellence Awards competition to be hosted as part of Amsterdam Cocoa Week celebrations in early 2025. The Global Cocoa of Excellence Awards, or COEX as it is commonly referred to, is the most prestigious international competition that recognizes the work of cocoa farmers and celebrates the quality and flavor diversity of cocoas produced around the world. COEX brings together leading sensory evaluation experts and the chocolate industry to reward producers of excellence. The samples submitted to COEX have the potential to be placed among the best 50 samples in the world, representing the 4 cocoa producing regions, namely Africa and the Indian Ocean, Asia and the Pacific, Central America and the Caribbean, and South America. Samples from Trinidad and Tobago are also eligible for gold, silver, and bronze awards in the category of Central America and the Caribbean. In the 2023 edition of Cocoa of Excellence, Trinidad and Tobago won 3 silver awards, again cementing this country's place as the most awarded cocoa producing country since the inception of the competition. The Cocoa of Excellence competition allows samples to be submitted by individual producers, associations of producers, cooperatives, private estates, and national research centers. Please contact your Cocoa Development Officer or CDC-TTL's office at 671-1001 for more information on submitting your samples. The deadline for submission of samples is 28 December 2024. Samples qualifying for the National Cocoa Awards will be converted to cocoa liquor and judged by 2 panels of judges. A panel of experts trained in cocoa liquor tasting and a panel consisting of local chocolatiers who have also been trained in liquor tasting. The scores will be collated and ranked by an independent statistician and the top 5 samples selected. The winners will be announced at the National Cocoa Awards prize giving ceremony to be hosted in early March 2025. I extend special thanks to the sponsors of the National Cocoa Awards and best of luck to all participants.